Bisnupur district ke Watha lambi amadi laisoi khulgi IDP singi senthok lambi lehenabagi pandamda haira manama sing amadi maru marangi pothok sing puthoknabagi training ama College of Food Technology LAMPHEL pata chathaba haukre numit humni gi oiba food processing gi hands-on training gi ICR Directorate of Vivekananda Parvatia Krishi Anusandhan Sansthan Almoragi Senthang Makhada Directorate of Research Center Agricultural University Imphal na sinduna pangthokpane training asida sarukyakiba trainee kunmangada College of Food Technology ge faculty singna chana thaknabagi potlam sing sabagi theory khaknatana practical oina takpi tambigani training asigi matangda research department Kau Imphal gi Deputy Director T Santibalana pothok kaya semba saba tambibagi mathakta pothok singbu miyamna pamnaba packaging tauba karamna yonba amadi fasai license matau karamna tanagani haibagi kanglon singsu takpi tambigani loyana training asi loisinba numita grinder slicer washer oven amadi peeling machine chingba potlam singsu community based oina lemna khutsinagani masing mathakta training loiraba matung ahanba oina pothok puthokpada changdaba yadraba raw material singsu yenthokani haina phongdokhi
Mokoi singse guest house home se to holaga ekoi 3 days si tawjabani sigi faculty mayam na akoi se hands on training only theory khata na te ekoi na se tawjai se direct mokoi si hands on training ni adu segi training segi loiraga mokoi se entrepreneurship ama oina senthok lambi leina tawba ngamgina bagi pandam da ekoi na sai se tawjari se different items ne ekoi sa only bakery product na te to pa mayam am sune ekoi na sai se taksa ga ekoi na training sim tang tawraga mokoi se thadokhiba na te by IDP sing sigi ekoi na support tawjari doisi roiba numitsaisa akoi makoida hawdok saba yana bagi damakta akoi machine mayam am supijaga doriba machine sing sidi community based permanent oina makoi damakta 100% sponsored the pizza bani makoi dagi kaimta lokhat ka daba yaude